guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, I'm glad you're back, and if you're new, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you stay notified on each upcoming video. Today, I'm quickly giving you a tour of my dresser area and my tapestry from Serenity boutique. The last tapestry that I had in the past, everyone seemed to like, so I thought it would be neat to show you guys another one. So in case you're wondering what the other tapestry looked like, I'm going to show a clip real quick. But yeah, this is what it looks like and I absolutely loved it. I'm really loving the white at the moment. I think it gives off a very nice clean feeling, and they have a ton of designs that anyone would pretty much love. If you're into more of a bohemian kind of feel, they have stuff for that. But yeah, I would just check out their website and see if there's anything that you would like. But having a tapestry is a fun temporary way to jazz up a room without overdoing it, and it's great because it's interchangeable. So obviously I showed my dresser as well, so real quickly I will tell you a little bit about my dresser. It happened to come from a thrift store, and originally it was dark brown and it wasn't very interesting and kind of just boring. So I just painted it white and added the marble contact paper. This paper can be found at Walmart, but I think Amazon has similar ones at pretty much nice price points. And the lamps actually came from Fred's, and they have smart light bulbs in them, and they can be synced with my Alexa, so all I have to do is command it to shut off, and it does. And I was quite skeptical at first, but it's so convenient. So if you're wondering where the clear containers came from, those actually came from Dollar Tree, and I don't really think they're meant to put the deodorants and fragrances and all that kind of stuff. I think they're just made for actually like parties and like cookies and stuff like that, but who says they can't be used for this either? So, but yeah, it's a nice alternative from regular storage, plus it frees up visibility and makes the area look a lot larger than what it is, and it's less cluttered being that it's clear. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see anything else like this. I know the last video got over 1,000 views or something like that. I'm hoping this one does really well as well, and if you guys are interested, then definitely check them out. Their tapestries are pretty affordable, and I think they'd be something you'd really like. But I'll talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.